Guys, I know you've never seen one of these. A 1955 Crown Victoria. Ford Crown Victoria, the OG. Here's a V8 logo. Look at that. That's the wheels. And it's a really straight car. There's the side. Ford Crown Vic. Wow, it's such a beautiful car. I'm going to let you guys hear it before. Look at the bumper on this thing. There's the rear end. That's the bumper. It's crazy. So we're going to let you guys hear what it sounds like before with glass packs. Check it out, guys. Go ahead. So it's got glass packs on it. They're rotted out. We're going to put new glass packs in. We're going to swap the glass packs out. But I wanted you guys to hear what it sounds like before. Look at that. It's so clean. Here's sound decibels. .4. Nice. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys see what it looks like under there. And what's cool is the exhaust comes out through the bumpers right here, guys. On this side and this side. I'll show it to you guys in a second. They're built into the back bumpers. They need to bring that back, I think. I don't know if it'll work with plastic though, with the metal bumpers. But ain't that cool? The old school designs, guys. Wow, it's so cool. You guys can see 55 Chrome Vic. But yeah, that's what I was telling you guys about the exhaust, where it comes out. Look at that, right there. That's the tailpipe going into it there. And that's the tailpipe going into it here. So all that rust you see is surface rust, because it just sits a lot on the exhaust. But that's how it comes. Think of the old cars, how much room you used to have back in the day. There's no technology, nothing. Just engine, transmission, and driveline. So you got a lot of room to play with. There's a transmission cooler, engine cooler, the old school way, the vents. And then that's a breather for the engine intake right there. So what we're going to do, as you guys can see, his glass packs have a hole in them. So we're going to take this one out and take this one out and swap them out with a different style of muffler. He wants it a little bit more, sound a little bit better. So we'll see what we can do. Stay tuned. So we showed you what it sounded like before. We showed you what it looked like before. Now let me show you guys what we've done to it. V8. I love the V8 logo. They need to bring that back. I think it's so cool. If there were V8s anymore. But anyways, Crown Victoria by Ford. Old school to the max. I love it. There's the piping on each side. We didn't touch any of that. He only wanted to replace the mufflers. So we replaced them with two FXs by Flowmaster. Right there. There's the other one. Right there. Flowmaster FXs. And then the piping stays the same 2-inch all the way back. Part number on the FXs is 71415. There'll be a link in the description for them right there. And we left everything else the same for him, because he didn't want to change any of that. He said he's going to save up some money and rebuild the whole thing. So once he's done restoring it, he's going to bring it back and we'll put him a full system on it. But because that glass pack had a giant hole in it right there, he just wanted something just to change it out, give it a little bit deeper tone. And the Flow FXs sound really nice on that. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't mind, please hit that subscribe. So this is one of 2,000 only that was made with this giant bumper, guys. And the exhaust sticking out. Yeah, just keep turning it. It'll start. What's the engine in it? 292. It's got a 292 in it. Oh, it sounds a lot cleaner now. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good sound. Yeah, that's perfect for this. Yeah, it's cleaner. Cleaner sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. I like it. Nice thing is all straight, it's all there too. It's been garage kept. I didn't see any rust other than like the surface rust on the exhaust, on the body. There's barely anything. Yeah, now it's got that it's clean. long this thing is, guys. How much I gotta back up. This sucker's long. I love it. Yeah, see about the back bumper I was telling you guys about? Look how much it sticks out. It's crazy. Good looking car. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Interior on it too, guys. It's all original. Is that interior original or no? The interior. Yeah. It's all original too. Got that two-tone leather. Yeah. So cool. Okay. Sorry.
Why didn't you do it after I got out, bro?
Such a cool car. There he goes. Back in time. I love it. Enjoy, guys.